Hello, my name's Ness Tilson. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use Quick Design's manufacturing methods. A manufacturing method is simply a collection of sub-methods that can be applied together. Quick Design's manufacturing methods are in the library's sub-menu, Manufacturing Methods. To understand how manufacturing methods work, you need first to understand how sub-methods work. So make sure you've seen the sub-methods videos or read the Quick Design manual before looking at this video. And note that Quick Design's manufacturing methods are just examples that you can use to set up your own manufacturing methods. So don't hesitate to contact us if you need help setting up your own methods. Quick Design's manufacturing methods contain two types of methods. There are standard methods that group together standard hardware with fixed rules, and Quick Design methods that use the variable Quick Design hardware and rules. Here's how to use the Quick Design manufacturing methods. Here is a piece of furniture set up using the Quick Design default settings. The panels are Quick Design default materials, and if I look in X-ray mode, I can see that there is no hardware nor assembly details. Let's apply a fixed manufacturing method. Let's go into the library's manufacturing methods and let's apply cupboard 19 Egger minifix dowel. This means we're going to use 19mm boards. These boards are going to be Egger boards and they're going to be assembled using minifix, connectors and dowels. When I apply the method, the whole project is rebuilt using the sub-methods that are contained in the main method. If I look at our project in X-ray mode, I can see that the method has placed the minifix connectors and the dowels according to the fixed hardware definition and fixed rules. This hardware and rules are not meant to be changed. If I need to adjust the hardware and its placement, I can apply a Quick Design method. Let's go into the library again and choose a Quick Design method. Let's choose the Zero Cab Minifix Dowel BF-030 method. This means that the method is a Quick Design method for cabinets assembled with minifix and dowels, and BF meaning a box full, that is the board priority using the 030 board priority method. Now all the hardware, its position and the materials have been updated according to the new method. Now as we have applied a Quick Design manufacturing method, if I want to change the hardware, I can just change the Quick Design hardware or its rule. Let's say I want to change the position of the dowels along this joint. For the moment we just have 3 dowels in the middle here. Say that I would like to put a dowel at 30mm from the end of each panel and increase the distance between the dowel. To do this, I just go into Libraries, Rules. I choose the rule that affects the dowels, which is the rule dowel 010. Let's say that we want the first dowel at 30mm from the edge, the last dowel at 30mm from the other edge of the board, and that instead of 100mm between each dowel, we want to update that to 150mm. Now when I apply this new rule, the positions of the dowel have been modified. We now have a dowel which is at 30mm from each side of our board here, and we have updated the number of dowels by increasing the distance between the dowels. It's also possible to change the actual definition of the dowel. To do this, I just go into Libraries, Fittings, Hardware Fittings, go to the Quick Design Dowel 010. Here we have a hardware which is defined at 10mm diameter. Let's change this 10mm diameter and put it at 8mm. Now all the dowel drillings have been updated to be 8mm diameter throughout our project.